We are all talking about patient said this, patient said that, patient was taking treatment not better. So our whole focus is on what the patient is telling. We are not at all focusing on the questioning where the physician is going wrong or where the physician is going right. Either way. So please see the focus. The learning issue is not about what the patient is saying, more about where the physician is going, how the physician is crafting his entire conversation. So the idea of this exercise is this, that in every given case, every situation, the pattern of asking question is never fixed. And therefore the technique is not a standardized technique. That's why we say flexibility in the art of case taking. Because every case, the situation is different. Every case when it begins, please be open to whether it's miasm that strikes first, whether it is a potency that strikes first, whether it is a sensation that might strike at the beginning. Or it might be the function part of the story that the person is ready to tell. So I would put individual eye. One side miasm can be expressed first, or it could be the sensation, or it could give potency by the understanding of how desperate the level of experience is, or it could be the sensation, or it could be what is he trying to do from his condition that he is suffering from. Once you know this particular idea, something will come up. Wait and see. Either there could be a potency that can come up, or there could be sensation, or there could be function, or there could be miasm. Anything could be coming up. And then take a pause and choose the route. For those who had this issue, how do you pick up? The answer is this. Wait, see the initial thing, take a pause and see what is coming up. Is this person giving me depth of desperation, the miasm? Go there. Is this person giving me something that he wants to do? Go there. Is this person giving me levels of experience very clearly? Straight away begin from there. Are you all there? This is the crunch thing of the first 7 minutes of the case, 7 to 10 minutes of the case. Do not be in a hurry. Something the person will give you. Because life is expressed in these few things only. Either they are desperate in their miasmatic approach, desperate in their levels of experience approach, desperate in their functions, or some people are desperate directly showing their sensations. And the last part is some people might give you story. Those who are extroverted. But introverted will definitely give you these things very clearly in a very subtle manner. Extroverted will give you a lot of stories. Wait for it. There, do not jump. Let the box be empty. Then you start putting one question slowly, gradually. It will create sound. Because the box is already empty now. Especially with corporate people. Especially with well-educated people. And especially with homeopaths. If you are taking a case of a homeopath, there will be a whole book of materia medica. So in such situations, let the box be empty. चल तेरे को जितना माने बोल के खत्म कर, बाद में देखेंगे जो करना है वो. Because once the box is empty, then you put anything, it will create sound. Till the time it is full, whatever you keep on putting, it will make no sound. It will be having dull note. Right? Shall we go ahead?